Good morning, class. So we have done a live class on this chapter 2, and the last part of this chapter is still remain. So we'll just touch up all these things. Okay. So last we have discussed about the contraction and the difference between possession and contraction. Some exercises already we have done, is it? So this exercise G will do by this seeing the picture. Okay. What we have to do here is that we have to use some contraction that is related with this picture and all. Okay, so let's see the first one. What is there? This is the Ray family, and Raj is dash and dash son. Now by the picture we can understand who is the parents of Raj, Mr. Roy and Mrs. Roy. So we'll write here first Mr. Roy and Mrs. Roy's. All together we'll give here apostrophe s. Son. They are turn 35 next year, or he'll turn 35 next year. So he'll become 35. So he will put here he will as contraction, the short form we have to use. So he'll turn 35 next year. That is his wife. So we'll write here what is the name? Simi. Simi is so we'll write Simi then apostrophe s. Simi is his wife. That's Shimi and Raj's youngest child. Who is that? Sunny. So Sunny is, so Sunny's will write apostrophe s. Sunny is Simi and Raj's youngest child. Dash best friend is her grandmother. His or their best friend. You can see that his best friend. So his their best friend, you will write their best friend is her grandmother, as she is always teaching. So she is here I'm writing, it will be she is always teaching her something new. They are waiting for Sunny. They are waiting for Sunny to grow up and play with them. So there. So that is only the exercise. Try to do this all in book only. Okay, and this one no need to write in the copy, as by the picture we have to write. So this one no need to read. Now come to the part of learning with Ladybird. Here it is written that two words. Two words as a contracted form already we have learned. So related with that actually it is given. So we have discussed, I am rubbing this one. So we have discussed about contraction. What is that? Like I said that suppose it is I am, so we are writing like that. Now if it is I am not, then that also will write like that. Here am not, not will be the full, am not. So two words we are making in contracted form. Clear? So let's see what is there in contracted forms. The exercise are given, two exercises, we'll solve those. First one you see cannot, that is can't. Second one must not, it is mustn't, M-U-S-T. Better to write on the board so that you can understand properly. Number two, I am not. So already I have written, it will be I am not, like that. Number three, must not. So it will be mustn't, like that. Then I am. So it will be am only. It is, it will be its. Already we have discussed. Do not, it will be don't. Okay, do not, it will be don't. Then you see you are, it will be your, only the RE part will be there. He doesn't, he does not, he doesn't, it will be. So that is exercise 1 we have done. Now let us come to the next part. These sentences we have to write the contracted forms. Okay, so I do not like biscuits, I don't like biscuits, don't. They are not any birds in the sky. So they are not, what we'll write here? So number 1 we have done. Number 2 you see what we'll write here. Number 2, they are not. So they are not, only this part will change. I am 6 years old. So it will be just like that, I am. Number 4 you see we were not happy. So it will be were. only the RE part. I am not, no, I am 6 years old, that is done. We are not, so not will put here, not will not go, not will put here, okay, that will not change. So we are not done. Number 5, you see, you must not run inside, so it will be mustn't. Okay, I have not got a sister, haven't, so it will be haven't. So HAVENT, we haven't got a sister. Clear? So this is only, it's very easy if you have go through all the parts of apostrophe like possessions, contraction and all. This is very easy for you to solve. So this one you will write in the copy, contracted form, along with that exercise D. Okay, and exercise D is no need to write, that you will write in the book only. This part you will write in the copy. Okay, so just revise the chapter properly. Till then, thank you class.